We got another package. Alright, let's go check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back everybody to another unboxing or unbagging video. Looks like we have another package today from Army and Outdoors. This one's from New Zealand. They do ship internationally via DHL, so feel free to check them out. They have a lot of stuff on their website. Again, ArmyandOutdoors.com. So let's go ahead and open this up. I already took the manifest out of the pocket on the outside, but I haven't torn this open, so we're going to move this out of camera range so we can get a better grip on it. Tossing some items out here. Let's see what I got in my hands here. It's not going to be in order, so. And because of the nature of surplus, a lot of interesting stuff ends up around the world and sometimes comes full circle. Like this item is supposed to be a USGI Multicam shirt. So it is kind of faded. Looks like it's had some wear to it. Here's our label. That's on numbers. We do have, let's see, plain old collar. We do have the Velcro cinch. That's really tight on there. Wow. Okay, so that would go across the neck like that. Cinch it up. We'll just put that back for now. Main zipper does come with a zipper pull, plasticized zipper, Velcro on the flap, and we do have the lower zipper as well, so it's one of those double pulls to help seat the bottom of the zipper. I'm actually going to try to undo that right now. Is it going to let me? It may not. I'm going to have to work on that. So let's see. We are missing some of the over Velcro spots. We do have spots for name tape and branch. We have slash pockets, Velcro I believe as well. Yeah, I don't feel anything in there. We do have the pockets with the Velcro, large Velcro on the sleeves. Let's see what we got here. Source 1 Tactical, committed to the mission. So that is our care label in there, in a little pouch actually. Look at that. Oh, and a patch. That's what it is. Nice. We have a patch. Thanks. Okay, what else we got? Reinforced elbows. Cuffs have a Velcro closure. So it's a pretty symmetrical shirt. Everything's pretty much the same on the other side. Let's see what we got in this pocket. Anything interesting? Nope, this one's empty. That's cool. We got a free patch. Repair patch, actually. Well, let's see what's in the slash pockets, if anything. I'm curious now. Wow, this Velcro's mighty. Wow. It's got some serious. Nope, nothing. This one feels very empty. No lower pockets, of course. And give this zipper one more try. There we go. Okay, so down. And come on. Out. Wiggle that a little bit. Nothing on the back. Alright, moving along. Next item. Okay, no particular order. Looks like we have a West German military belt and buckle. So pretty thick leather, end clasp. Buckle can be resized around. This will go in and connect under that hook right there, like so. Very nice. See texture on the buckle. Alright, moving along. Should be a Dutch Army DPM shirt. There's our label. Very nice. 50-50. Shirt collar, buttons, green all the way down. A little bit of the waistline there. There's our hem size. Spot for Velcro on that side. Nothing on this side. Button pockets left and right. They are external. The end right there for a little bit of taper down. No lower pockets. Do have a flag sewn on. Cuffs are double button. Single buttonhole. We do have shoulder. Check this one on shoulders. I don't think this has anything on shoulders. Nope. It's US style. This one does have the shoulder stuff. Button on the top there. Anything else on the inside? Nope. No surprises in there. Just quickly look at this. Okay, here's the care tag. We'll just take a step back. The care tag for the USGI Multicam shirt. Pretty large. A little out of order there, but at least we got to that. Let's see. Looks like we got another belt. Get my manifest here. This one is a Czech military leather belt star buckle. It's our star, brown leather, very thick, nice. Czech markings. Clasp on the side, and it'll interface with that hook. Very nice. Very nice indeed. This one looks like it's been positioned a few times. This is back to the West German one. You can see where it's been moved around, and there's the leather mark on there. Alright, feel something else in here. This is just the last item, last but not least. Just threw in the order a British Army DPM patrol cap. Has a very thick cloth brim, almost like a spongy brim in there. It's very thick, nice. So you see the DPM pattern, kind of normal round cap style. A little bit of this shape going on right here. Triangular stitching right there, and you can see the shape of that vent hole right there. Very interesting versus these. So I believe that's where you would put your insignia. Inside, it's a 58, this one in particular. And does this fold down? A little bit of a flap. Yep. So you got this to help break the wind. You had to. Haha, I said break the wind. Anyway, so in summary, British Army DPM patrol cap. We got the Czech military leather belt with the star buckle. Other belt was the West German military belt and buckle. We had also the Dutch Army DPM shirt, and finish off this unboxing, a USGI Multicam shirt. So there's been another unboxing, unbagging video. This one from ArmyandOutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. Ship internationally via DHL. We also do other show and tell videos, as well as a Curios for the Curious series of videos, more art objects. So feel free to check those out on those playlists. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.